going to invite someone who is just 13-year-old, and she is also from Madhya Pradesh. I was quite impressed. Can anyone guess? Or the student I'm going to think of must have guessed her name. Yes. Can I have her? She is from Damoh, and I was really impressed. And she is Emmy.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, wonderful. Now, when I spoke to you, I found you very passionate, very energetic. What is the source of this energy and passion that you have? Why are you so passionate? Why are you so energetic? That's my question to you.
Sir, this is all because of my feelings for my nation. This is all because of my patriotism. And sir, today I feel very great to celebrate Independence Day, even more good than I celebrate Diwali. And sir, this is sir because I want to devote each and every second and the moment of my life for my nation. Sir, sir, as I'm a tomboy, sir, have the many girls have they wish to have or wear vivid types of clothes and colorful clothes, but sir, I only wanted to see myself in the utter blue shirts and royal blue pants of Indian Air Force. I want to die for that. I want to live for that. That is all because of that.
Beautiful, beautiful. She has a vision, she has an objective, and she says there is something for which I can live and I can die for that. Wow, what a clarity of the goal and objective you have. So what do you want to do? What do you want to achieve in life? Is my next question to you.
Sir, I do want to go in Indian Air Force and be a fighter pilot. And sir, as I told you earlier, that I am so patriotic, and sir, I do wanna go in Indian Air Force, and my inspiration, Wing Commander Abhinandan, I wanna become like him.
Beautiful, beautiful. I'm reminded of the word, जिसको नहीं निज गौरव तथा निज देश का अभिमान है, वह नर नहीं नर पशु निरा है और मृतक समान है, और मृतक समान है. That is the patriotic fervor and feeling that you have. Beautiful. Share something with other guys and girls who are here today. Some of them feel sluggish. Some of them want to play games. Some of them want to do something. So how can they have the clarity of the goal that you have? What should they do according to you?
Everybody should follow their own interest. And sir, everybody should follow their own interest. They should be passionate about their goals. They should only focus on their goals. If you are doing things, just do for your goals. Like I am playing for hours and I am doing cycling for 8 to 10 kilometers daily. This is all because I wanna grow fluent taller for going in Indian Air Force. So all you need is to link your each and everything with your goal and think that you will and you can and you will. So this is what I think. And be fascinating and be dedicated every time, and you should be self-motivated. Don't get motivated by things because this is like a fake motivation for me. Be self-motivated, then you can and you will.
Beautiful. I'm falling in love with what you are saying. You are motivating a motivation guru, and all that I can say about you. And children like you, देखना है अगर इनकी उड़ान, देखना है अगर इन बच्चों की उड़ान, तो और ऊंचा करो, तो और ऊंचा करो ये आसमान, तो और ऊंचा करो ये आसमान. Give a round of applause for her. Beautiful, beautiful.
Sir, thank you, sir. I feel very overwhelmed by listening this.